Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma and you're watching Coin Monitor. In today's crypto market updates, we will discuss cooling US inflation fuels crypto market rally. Ethereum breaks $2,700, then eases. ETF flows, Bitcoin outflows, Ethereum inflows. Bitcoin surged back towards $104,000 on Wednesday, buoyed by cooler than expected April inflation data and former President Trump's optimistic remarks about financial markets. With recent whale accumulation suggesting further upside, Bitcoin is now eyeing a potential new all-time high. The US Consumer Price Index for April came in below forecasts, easing concerns over inflation stoked by tariffs and reducing pressure on the Federal Reserve. Investors are now looking ahead of Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's policy speech on Thursday for further direction. Ethereum briefly breached the $2,700 level for the first time in months before slipping back to $2,675, still up over 9% on the day. The altcoin has surged 48.56% over the past week and 62.17% from its recent low of $1,547. With a market cap of $319.55 billion, Ethereum's market dominance now stands at 9.258%, its highest since March 10, 2025. Other major gainers include EigenLayer's governance token and EtherFi's native token, both of which saw 20 to 30% daily gains, highlighting strong momentum in the DeFi sector. The total global crypto market cap rose 2.68% in the last 24 hours to reach $3.37 trillion. On May 13th, US-based Bitcoin spot ETF saw net outflows of $96.14 million, while spot Ethereum ETFs recorded net inflows of $13.37 million. Meanwhile, stablecoin issuer Tether purchased $458.7 million worth of Bitcoin for 21 Capital, a Bitcoin investment firm preparing for SPAC merger with Cantor Equity Partners. Tether acquired 4,812.2 BTC at an average price of $95,319, bringing 21's total holdings to 36,312 BTC. Ether, XRP and Solana posted 7-day gains of 44.3%, 20.6% and 22% respectively, outpacing Bitcoin's 10% rise. Solana, trading around $183, is up 8% today. The rally is supported by its $10.9 billion total value locked, which now surpasses the entire Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem. Additionally, Solana's 30-day fee revenue has jumped 109% to $43.4 million, and an 8% funding rate indicates bullish leverage. Hedera's H-bar is holding above the $0.2 level, returning over 30% this month and securing the 17th spot in market rankings with a $9.13 billion valuation. Trading platform eToro debuted on Nasdaq at $52 per share, raising $310 million from its IPO and achieving a $4.2 billion valuation. Bitcoin is now within 5% of its January record high, though analysts at Bitfinex note the absence of speculative froth, citing neutral funding rates and steady volume. BTC faces short-term resistance around $104,000 to $106,000 range, with support near $98,000, suggesting potential consolidation ahead. The broader macro environment is turning favorable for crypto. The cooling CPI print has lightened the Fed's inflation burden, paving the way for renewed risk-on sentiment. Investors are closely tracking Powell's Thursday speech for additional policy cues. Well, that's all in this episode of the Coin Monitor. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV and keep watching 3.TV.